Um, so in this slide, we are going to talk about introduction to pulp and paper technology. So I mean, what's pulp and paper technology? What's it? Right. So by the end of this presentation, you know what pulp and paper technology are, their uses, and yeah, some other stuff. So let's quickly move on to yeah. So pulp and paper technology encompasses the process, the processes and innovations that transform natural raw materials into the paper and paperboard products we use every day. This field combines chemistry, engineering, and environmental science to produce a wide range of sustainable solutions. So what are the raw materials for pulp production? Like we have wood fibers, we have non-wood fibers, we have recycled fibers. Right? So in the wood fibers, we have the primary raw material is wood, right? Typically softwood and hardwood trees. Wood fibers are chemically and mechanically processed to extract the cellulose for pulp production. And now wood fibers have alternative sources like bamboo, straw, and agricultural waste can also be used to produce pulp, providing more sustainable options. We have the recycled fibers. Recycled paper and cardboard are increasingly used to create new pulp, reducing waste and conserving natural resources. Right? So what are the mechanics in pulping process? I mean, mechanical pulping process. What is really in the process, right? So first of all, you have the grinding. The wood chips are mechanically ground to separate the wood fibers, creating a high yield but lower strength pulp. Refining: wood fibers are further processed through refining to improve their bonding and strength properties. We have, and then the third is thermomechanical pulping. Wood chips are softened with steam before mechanical processing, producing a stronger pulp with better optical properties. Chemical pulping process. What's the chemical side of the pulping process? So you have the craft process, the most common chemical pulping method using sodium hydroxide and sodium sulfide to break down wood into high strength fibers. So we have the sulfide process, utilizes sulfurous acid and bisulfite compound to produce a brighter, more easily bleached pulp. In reactory soda process, a simpler chemical process using only sodium hydroxide, suitable for non-wood raw materials like straw and vacancy. Pulp bleaching and brightening, chlorine-based bleaching. So that's when traditionally used chlorine compounds, I mean, to whiten and brighten pulp. But this caused environmental concerns like chlorine and yeah, yeah, chlorine is a bit dangerous compound. We have the oxygen-based bleaching. Newer, more environmentally friendly methods use oxygen, ozone, and hydrogen peroxide to achieve the desired brightness. Enzymatic bleaching. Innovative techniques utilize enzymes to selectively remove lignin and other impurities, reducing the need for harsh chemicals. So what's the paper making process? I mean, what really goes into the process? What are the different stages in the paper making process? Yeah. So by the end of this slide, I mean, you should know everything that goes into paper making. Those exercise books you've been using and those stuffs. Yeah. These are the processes they go through before. I mean, everything tends to be that paper you're using. So I mean it's necessary that to know the processes it goes through. It's really necessary. So first of all you have the pulp preparation. That's the refining, cleaning and blending the pulp to achieve the desired practice. Then the paper making, forming the paper sheet on a one mesh, dewatering and pressing the pulp. And then we have the drying, that's removing residual moisture through heated dryer rooms or air drying. We have the finishing, that's additional treatments like calendering, coating and converting the paper into final products. So what are the paper properties and characteristics? So strength, tensile, burst and tear, resistance for various end users, brightness, whiteness and opacity for printing, writing and packaging, smoothness, surface characteristics that impact printability and appearance. And we have absorbency, ability to absorb liquids, important for tissue and specialty papers. So, what are some of the environmental considerations in pulp and paper industry? The sustainable forestry, that's responsible management of forests to ensure a renewable supply of raw materials. Water and energy efficiency, improving processes to reduce water usage and optimize energy consumption. And then you have the waste reduction, recycling, reusing, and recovering materials to minimize environmental impact. So, what's the emerging trends in pulp and paper technology? So, okay, so yeah. So let's look at some of the career opportunities in pulp and paper industry. The engineering, chemical, mechanical, and process engineers to design and optimize equipment and processes. R&D, scientists and researchers. That's yep. Developing new materials, products, and sustainable technologies. Operations, plant managers, technicians, and um, operators responsible for day-to-day production. Environmental, specialists in environmental compliance, emissions control and waste